Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English. Layer. The theme of the poem. The poet has based this poem on personal experience. He thinks that one is so busy in coping with daily routine of life that most of the time the beauty and joys of life are ignored. One has no time to enjoy and look at the wonders around us. He has mentioned the animals on the pastures, the stars in the sky, the music and smile around him. According to the poet's point of view, a man life is so full of worries and care that he cannot even stand and look up at things as they are around him.